Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. If this is your first time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video guys. First of all, I want to say I have runny nose. Guys, forgive me on this video. I need to talk a little bit about this messy room guys. This is my daughter room. This is her closet. This is the clothes that she have, that she's always wear every day. That's her clothes. She don't have enough, but she have enough to wear. Yes, this is her home. She is 10 guys. This is her home. All the color in her home, this kid can make me go crazy guys. This is her home. You ask them to clean this home, they always clean it the wrong way. All the color everywhere. First guys, I have a question to ask you guys. What do you guys do with kids with this color writing on the wall? Because my daughter is 10 and she always have color pencil, all that color thing. I have a 3-year-old. When she see the pencil, first thing she do, she just write on the wall. It's what they always do. My 10-year-old, sometimes she write on the wall too. Yes, let me say that. Sometimes she write on the wall. I don't know what is going on. They have a paper to color, but they always go in the wall and start writing. Guys, let me know what you guys do. Let me know guys, please. Let me know. Thank you to let me know. I will check your comment. What you guys, what you say. Let me know how to manage this kid with this color thing and just messing home. Guys, you guys see I have a baby. The baby here is like 4 months old. Yes, the baby is 4 months old. I'm trying to clean this room with this baby in my arm, guys. I just have a baby. It's not easy. You guys see all the mess she doing in this home. And when you ask them, guys, let me know. You see, I just pick a plate in her home. Let me know how you guys deal with kids when you guys ask them not to eat inside the room, because when they eat inside the home, they forget the plate inside the home, or they keep it under the bed, under the table, under this. How do you guys manage to give them rules how not to eat in? Let me repeat it. How you guys give you the rules not to eat in their room? Because I ask them every day not to bring food upstairs. They don't listen, guys. Let me know in the comment below. I will be checking your comment, guys. Right now, what I'm doing here, I'm just trying to check the clothes that will use it for this winter. You guys know winter is coming. Winter is back. I'm checking some clothes that we need for this winter and try to put it up. The one that I don't really need, I will put inside the plastic and just go dump it in my garage. Is what I will do. Okay guys, that is my 3 years old helping me cleaning guys. How you guys do in your house? You guys have a schedule to clean your house? You guys have a schedule to clean your bedroom, your kids' room, your kitchen, your living room? Guys, let me know. I can try to balance my life, because my life is very crazy, guys. My life is very crazy. Yep. Right now. Let me change. Right now I'm trying to put the sweater back in the drawer. Is what I'm doing. Putting the sweater back in the drawer. Try to fix little thing. Right now, what I'm doing, the baby is crying. I'm trying to fix in this room before they come back from school. Every kid went to school. I'm just home with the baby and my oldest son and the 3-year-old baby. Yes, Right now what I'm doing, I'm trying to fix this kid's room. Try to fold all her clothes that she needs. The clothes that she doesn't need, she doesn't have a lot, but she have what she have, guys. It's what she have, but we are managed, guys. You know, mother of 6 kids, we are manage what we have, guys. She is managed with her clothes that she have. Okay, guys, this is me fixing. She's there playing. Yep, it's what she's doing, playing. Try to pick everything on the floor. I have another problem, guys. Let me tell you what problem I have. This kid, you give them something to put their dirty clothes inside. I have a question. You come back, the dirty clothes always on the floor, guys. I don't know, you guys have the same you guys have the same problem, struggle. Let me know in the comment below, or just my kid that behave that way. I don't know. Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comment. I don't know. Then my daughter started cleaning the mess that she did on the wall. I'm just like, wait, move. I can start cleaning that mess by myself. Right now I'm trying to clean the mess. I'm spraying the spray. I spray something on the wall to remove that color. Pencil on the wall, and I'm trying to use water, hot water, and try to clean the wall. Is what I'm doing right now, guys. Okay, guys, this is me cleaning. Try to make sure everything is back on his place. Try to remove some stuff that she doesn't need in her room, guys. Try to remove some stuff she doesn't need in her room. Fix some stuff, some shoes everywhere. That's what I'm doing, guys. Struggle mom, guys. Struggle mom of 6, guys. Make sure the window is clean because I'm doing deep cleaning in this room. Very deep cleaning. For the water, I changed the water many times, guys. It's not the same water I'm using. I'm changing the water when I'm going to this one. I change the water. It's what I'm doing. Guys, how you guys organize your life? Guys, I have a question. What do you guys struggle the most with? For me, I'm struggle the most with cooking. I love to, I don't love, let me take it back. I don't love to cook, but I prefer to clean than cook. Like I was saying, guys, I prefer to clean than cook, because when I'm clean, my mind is, I have a peaceful mind. My mind is just a clean this part, make sure it's shining. When I'm cooking, it's like, I don't know, I have anxiety. My hair is like, my mind is like moving so fast. Like, let me finish this dish quick. Let me finish this dish quick. It's different when I'm cleaning. When I'm cleaning, I'm so kind. No, I'm so how you saying? I'm so in peace mood, just doing my thing in peace. But when I'm cooking, it's like I want to finish this dish so quick. But I know how to cook. I know how to cook, but I don't like to cook. It's my problem. But I'm trying, guys. With 6 kids, you don't have a choice. You need to cook almost every day. Or one day I can pass the day, we can eat the leftover, the one I cooked the day before, we can eat it the next day. Is what sometimes I do, but I don't have a choice. I need to cook. Yes, guys. And I have another question, guys. I have a newborn baby. I'm struggling with my newborn baby. Is that baby, guys? That baby wake up so much at night. It's like the baby have some belly problem, something. I don't really know. That baby doesn't sleep. I just remove that baby sometime on his bassinet, put it on his how you call it, on his bed, put him back on his bassinet, struggle at night with him, guys. What you guys do? Because some people told me that make sure he eat very good before he go to bed. Guys, right now I'm trying to make sure that baby eat very good before he go to bed, but at night he doesn't sleep more than hours. He's up every, at least every, let me think very good, every sometime 40 minutes he's up. You put the baby the next day, the next minute, the next minute the baby is up, guys. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comment below, guys, how you can manage all that I say in that video, guys. I will be down in my video to check the comment, because this one is very serious, guys. It's very serious issues in my house. Pardon me, I have a cold. I have a cold and I need to post this video. I need to do this video. Okay, guys. I have another question too, guys. How you guys manage people that have husband, guys? How you guys manage husband, family life, all that jazz who come with, guys? Because I can start talking about my husband, guys. It's very hard for him to come back and start helping me with the house choice. How your husband do, guys? Your husband, sometimes he can help me, guys, but the most is me, guys. Dropping the kids, picking that kids, cooking, the newborn at night, 24/7 job, guys. It's a 24/7 job. It's like sometimes it's like I'm losing my mind. I'm losing myself. Let me know if you got your husband help you at night or when he's off. Because mine, when he's off, guys, let me say, sitting down watching what? Football. Guys, it's frustrating to see that, but I don't have a choice. I need to do things. Sometimes, guys, what I do, let me let you guys know my secret. Sometimes I just go upstairs and close the door and go in my bathroom, make like I'm pooping. Excuse me for that word. I'm pooping or doing something in my bathroom just to move myself from all that noise, all the 6 kids, all the 5 little kids, because my older one, he's a little bit older. But all the little chanchalan chanty, small one, the 3, the 10, the 8, the 10, all that, the 6, the 4-month-old, all that, guys, I just go in my bathroom and try to relax when he's home. Just try to hide myself and leave him that baby and go hide myself in the bathroom. Because, guys, that man don't want to help. How you guys, how your husband do? Your husband help you at home is a question, guys. Let me know in the comment how you can manage husband, wife, all that jazz. Let me know, guys. Let me stop explain my life, guys. Let me stop. You guys just watch the video. Let me know what you think about this video. Share, like, share the video, like. Let me know. Sorry, let me repeat myself. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Like, share, guys. I will be there checking for your comment. Thank you, guys. Thank you.